to another video, guys. In this video I will go through the oil pressure warning where it says too low. Now, one thing we've realized, obviously it came on when it was cold start, but that doesn't mean it doesn't come on at all times. Usually it kicks in after 1800 rpm where it triggers the warning, and sometimes if you're that unlucky it will come on at all times. Now, there's a few things that can cause this, so one of which is, probably the oil that's in the engine itself, that could cause it. The other, obviously you've got to check the gradient of the oil, that's why they say put decent oil in the car. The other thing would be the pressure switch, which this is an Audi A1 1.4 petrol. Now that is to be found within the engine, so it's the turbo based, okay, and it's found here, the oil pressure switch, if I can get to it. So see this one here, it's not that, it's just next to it. So let's take this out and I shall show you. There we go. It's a bit fat fuel, does not sound good much. So if I can get to it, there it is there. So it's that one there at the top. This one here is the switch, which is only 30 quid, 40 quid. You have to get genuine, do not get aftermarket cheap ones, don't be fooled by it. So yeah, that's the one there at the top, that one there. So change that one and make sure the sensor's all good, there's correct voltage and whatnot. But they're the two things that can cause it. Obviously there'll be other things as well, but they're the main two cause. Check your oil, see if it's all good. Obviously see if the gradient's all sound. Make sure that the wiring to the pressure switch is good as well. Obviously if it isn't, it will trigger at all times.